The T-fal Platinum stainless steel fry pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It's a 12-inch pan. It can handle cooking on induction stovetops. Plus, it's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it versatile for many cooking tasks. You can sear a steak on the stovetop. Then, you can finish it in the oven. The silver finish looks sleek and professional. This pan is also dishwasher safe. Cleanup after cooking is easy. You won't spend a lot of time scrubbing. The T-fal Platinum stainless steel fry pan boasts excellent heat distribution. This means your food cooks evenly. You won't have hot spots that burn your dishes. The stainless steel material is durable. It will last for a long time. And it resists warping. Many cooks appreciate how easy it is to work with this pan. It feels balanced in your hand. The size is perfect for cooking for families or entertaining. You can easily sauté vegetables or fry chicken. The pan handles sauces and juices well too. If you are looking for a reliable fry pan, consider the T-fal Platinum stainless steel fry pan. It offers a good balance of performance and convenience. The fact that it's dishwasher safe is a big plus for easy cleanup. You can use a sponge for quick washes as well. While it's not electronics, it's an essential kitchen tool. It earns its name as a quality piece of cookware. Many home cooks across the United States have found it to be a signature item in their collection. Shipping is usually fast, so you can start cooking soon. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: stainless steel, induction ready, oven safe to 500 F 12-inch size, dishwasher safe, durable, easy to clean, good for frying, versatile cookware, silver color, likely long-lasting, heats evenly. Cons: handle can get hot, uneven heating possible, might be too heavy, not the highest quality. Potential for hot spots, non-stick not always perfect, can be pricier option, durability is a concern. Features: induction ready, oven safe to 500 F, dishwasher safe 12-inch size, durable build, even heat. Base, riveted handle, silver color. This T-fal Platinum stainless steel fry pan is 12 inches and silver. It is made to last and can handle high heat in the oven, up to 500 degrees. You can use it on any kind of stove, even the kind that uses magnets to heat pots and pans. It has a special bottom that heats evenly, so there won't be any spots that are too hot. The handle is attached with strong metal pieces, making it sturdy to hold. When you are done cooking, you can just put it in the dishwasher to clean it. This T-fal Platinum 12-inch fry pan is made of stainless steel and is designed to work with induction cooktops. You can also use it in the oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It's dishwasher safe, which makes cleaning easy, and it's built to be durable, so it should last a while. This silver pan is good for frying and can be used for different kinds of cooking. However, the handle might get hot, and there's a chance of uneven heating or hot spots. Some people might find it a bit heavy, and it might not be the best quality pan out there, or have a non-stick surface that always works perfectly, and it could cost more than other options. Also, some people have concerns about how long it will last.